Want to learn advanced AI, that too free of cost, also get certified for the same. So in this video, I'm going to share you an amazing opportunity for the same. So before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video. We are talking about the AI code Sarathi. Now, what is the program? How you should participate? All things let's cover in detail. So the program is divided into three stages. Okay, three phases you can see. There is explore, engineer, and excel track. Okay, one more important thing, it is powered by Nasscom. You must have heard about it. It's a non-profit organization which holds several hackathons. Even in Microsoft challenges, you must have heard about it. So here, this phase of the journey is divided into three phases, that is explore, engineer, and excel. In explore phase, there will be some workshops where you'll be learning about the AI assisted coding, means they'll be guiding you, there will be mentors, there will be sessions who will be just helping you to understand about the complete process of this event. After that, there will be a 26-hour learning journey which will help you to build deeper insights in the generative AI and agentic AI. Mostly, I think there will be some code labs or labs, etc. They'll be providing you. Once you register, you'll be getting every information over there. And after that, there'll be some simple hackathon where you have to work on real world problems. Means, for example, if any related to some normal problems like which helps in our daily lives. Okay, you have to build some solutions based on it. Maybe it will be a web app, maybe it will be something more than that also. You'll be notified for everything, do not worry. So why you should participate? You are getting all the skills free of course. You are getting a completion certificates. You are working with separate and like-minded peoples, okay, who are aligns to your interest. Also, you'll be building a strong portfolio also. So how to participate in this program? First of all, you have to register in this program, okay, and it will be ending very soon. So hurry up and register in this program, okay. And second thing is that you have to wait for the confirmation email. Once you get the confirmation email, then you have to just proceed for the program. So here you can see that the program started from 6th of March and deadline is mostly 24th of March 11:59 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So it will expire mostly by today, I think so. So if they don't extend the deadline, so hurry up and register in this program. It is completely beginner friendly. You'll be learning about hands-on training also. And do I need to attend all the sessions? So okay. So you can attend any of the session or you'll be getting the recordings also, I think so. So here, will I receive the Nasscom certificate? Yes, you'll be getting a Nasscom certificate once you complete all the challenges, including the GitHub commit. All the details will be shared to you via email. So how to register? You have to click on register now over here and enter your basic details, name, mobile number, WhatsApp number, etc. All the details you have to mention and just submit it over here. And after that, you'll be getting all the resources on your register email. So this was a quick thing I wanted to share. If you are interested in other events also, there are multiple events, multiple opportunities live. For example, how to apply for the GSOC and the free internship by Infosys also there. And these are the multiple challenges. You can just check the description box. I've shared all the related videos and there you can participate and win some cool goodies. So thank you. Have a great day ahead. Do like the video and subscribe the channel.